Welcome you all to my channel. Today, I am going to start a brand new episode. It is Cloud Technologies with Microsoft Azure.
Hey bro, all are talking about cloud. Someone tell my data is in the cloud. How they store data in the cloud. I could not understand. It mean the data located in the sky or somewhere higher than the planet Earth.
No, my friend. If they tell us cloud, they are not in the sky. They are located in somewhere location on the ground. Let me explain from ABC. Come with me to my lab. I'll explain.
Marvelous. Let's go then.
Why we call cloud technology? It is based on the fact that all data that is necessary to the user is available at all times. Yes, of course, an active internet connection is vital to successfully use the cloud technology. As you can see, cloud technology can be broken into three parts. Number 1, private cloud. Number 2, public cloud. Number 3, hybrid cloud.
What is a private cloud? A private cloud consists of cloud computing resources used exclusively by one business or organization. The private cloud can be physically located at your organization's on-site data center, or it can be hosted by a third-party service provider. But in a private cloud, the services and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network and the hardware and software are dedicated solely to your organization. Advantages of a private cloud: more flexibility. Your organization can customize its cloud environment to meet specific business needs. More control. Resources are not shared with others, so higher levels of control and privacy are possible. More scalability. Private clouds often offer more scalability compared to on-premises infrastructure. What is a public cloud? Public clouds are the most common type of cloud computing deployment. The cloud resources, like servers and storage, are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. With a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud provider. Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. Advantages of public clouds: lower costs, no need to purchase hardware or software, and you pay only for the service you use. No maintenance, your service provider provides the maintenance. Near unlimited scalability, on-demand resources are available to meet your business needs. High reliability, a vast network of servers ensures against failure. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud platform gives organizations many advantages, such as greater flexibility, more deployment options, security, compliance, and getting more value from their existing infrastructure. When computing and processing demand fluctuates, hybrid cloud computing gives businesses the ability to seamlessly scale up their on-premises infrastructure to the public cloud to handle any overflow, without giving third-party data centers access to the entirety of their data. Organizations gain the flexibility and innovation the public cloud provides by running certain workloads in the cloud while keeping highly sensitive data in their own data center to meet client needs or regulatory requirements. Advantages of the hybrid cloud: control. Your organization can maintain a private infrastructure for sensitive assets or workloads that require low latency. Flexibility. You can take advantage of additional resources in the public cloud when you need them. Cost effectiveness. With the ability to scale to the public cloud, you pay for extra computing power only when needed. Ease. Transitioning to the cloud doesn't have to be overwhelming because you can migrate gradually, phasing in workloads over time.
I think now you get a basic idea about cloud technology. Please see me tomorrow. I will give you my lesson 2. I had many requests from my friends to conduct a Microsoft Azure series from my channel, so you can participate for that.
Thank you, bro. I will keep in touch with the channel and looking forward for more lessons of Microsoft Azure from A to Z. Thank you very much. You all can join with Priyas Tech Show channel. See you soon.